Bro, it's not a tornado warning.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KJY68 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receivers performance
Ah, crap, I forgot this guy.
by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm tone at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY86 Columbus, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Much cooler and drier air will settle into the Ohio Valley for midweek, with only a small brief chance for a few showers and storms Thursday. Dry conditions return Friday into the upcoming weekend.
Alright, well. There's that. So for synopsis, FX5 went off, 991 went off, 261 2005 went off, 996 went off, 522 went off, the Bear 30 went off, 2003 261 went off. This bozo false decoded for a tornado warning and then quit. I forgot to set this guy, if I'm being honest. And then these two went off. And then the 258 went off. So, yeah, there's that.